Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to book a hotel on booking.com without a credit card, and I've actually done this before as well. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the app and then enter your destination right here and choose your dates, how many adults there are, how many rooms you need, right? You can search it up. First just search the location, let's say Patong Beach in Thailand, select your dates. Okay, and then choose how many adults or how many rooms you need and just hit search. Choose the hotel that you like, right? Let's say this one or any other hotel, and then select rooms, right? Scroll down, just make sure everything is okay. See the maps, okay? See everything. And then once you select your room, you choose which rooms you want. There'll be different options. Once you're happy, just click on select and customize, and then click here on reserve or just select and customize. And then what you need to do is just choose your bed. If you know they have different options for preferences, confirm that. Okay, now we reserve this, right? So you need to give some personal information if you're doing this for the first time. Your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, country or region. Okay, and if you want to save this info to your can, you can toggle this one on. Choose your primary purpose for your trip, hit next step, and then click here on final step. As you can see, this one has free cancellation. That's perfect. Hit final step, and now there's different options to pay. So you can either pay at the property, which is payment cash, right? Cash payment on arrival. So you choose this one, or these ones you can pay via your different payment methods. So just choose pay at the property and hit book now. As you can see, the booking is confirmed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.